Alright, what's up guys? So today's video is actually going to be super short. It's kind of just like a little update video. So I'm actually taking this Miata out of the garage for once in its life. I'm going to go for a little drive, and it's kind of a sad video. You'll see why. But yeah, we're actually going to get to drive this, and I haven't driven it like out of my neighborhood in maybe like four months. So it'll be a nice little change. But yeah, so let's start it up and take it out for a spin, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, why it's kind of a sad video. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get rest to go outside. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow. Okay, so why am I in my Miata in January? That doesn't make any sense. I said that I would be keeping it over the winter at my house. It changed. I'm not doing that anymore. So, my family has a lot of cars, more specifically my dad. You can kind of see where I get my like car genes from. It's from him. He buys a lot of cars. So what ended up happening was he bought a Porsche 944, believe it or not. Pretty cool car. The only issue is that now we ran out of space in our garages. So I'm going to be bringing it to a storage place, and just kind of, it's like a super tiny storage like slot, just barely big enough for a Miata, and I'm going to be sticking it in there for a couple months. And yeah, that's where I'm off to now. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this car into a storage slot and keeping it there for around 3 months. Yeah, probably 3 months, and then I'll bring it back to our house and be able to keep it outside. Because the issue is, in Michigan, cars get destroyed in the winter, and this has such a clean body. I really don't want to have any rust or anything, because it would be just a shame if this thing got rusty, because it's so incredibly clean. The previous owner did an amazing job with that, and I kind of want to continue keeping this car clean. The bad side is that I will not be able to work on this car at all for about 3 months. So that's gonna suck. There's no way around it. I mean, unless I want to go into a little tiny storage thing and like wrench away, but I don't see that happening, to be completely honest. So this is gonna be kind of like the end of the Miata for a little bit. But don't worry, I am planning out some stuff for the future, and the future looks very bright. I am happy to say I think it should be pretty awesome. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I get to the storage place. And let's see here, where's it at? There we go, there we go. So we're actually going to be taking the battery out, because if we leave it in here for like 3 months, which is probably what it's going to be, the battery is going to be not charged when we finally take it out. So we're going to pull it out, bring it back home, and then put it on a trickle charger. That way the battery isn't going to get destroyed and have to buy another battery.
Golf cart battery.
Perfect.
Look at that whole thing. Holy smokes.
That's sweet.
Is it tiny?
It's so nice. Nice and light.
It is. It's nice and light.
Yeah. Alright, so got the battery out. Time to throw the car cover on, and yeah. This is Morty's home for the next couple months. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Just a tiny little update video letting you know that there's not going to be any
Miata videos for the next couple months. I promise around like early March there's gonna be a lot of stuff happening, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, all right, have a good one, guys.